What's up, everybody? It's Murdic3k, aka MK3 Tactical, and right now I'm unboxing something I got. I bought this from Monstrum Tactical, and one of the things I love is a budget firearm option, and I wanted an LPVO for one of my rifles, so that's what I got. And the thing is, what I've heard overall with Monstrum was that they weren't terribly bad. So we're going to go right into the boxing. There it is. Take the plastic out. Take it out of the plastic, I should say. And this is what we have. Woohoo! Amazon just isn't what it used to be, so I ordered this directly from Monstrum Tactical. So this just kind of slides off, and my manners, you just basically see what this thing is. This is the Monstrum Banshee low power variable optic LPVO. This is the 1-in-4 variable optic. So when you get that off, it comes in this neat little box, and it has these little stickers that we're going to just cut right off or cut through. I'm going to flip it back over, and then we're going to just remove the box. Let suction give up and reveal what's inside. Right off the bat is the showstopper, but we'll get into that. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we have these little things. These are basically things for spacing to keep it from moving around. I have, looks like a cleaning cloth, a battery, and maybe some instructions in here. And it comes with 2 little wrenches, and I imagine that is for securing the optic and the rail, or the mount, I should say. Because inside, the Monstrum Tactical also comes with, and that is all that's in the box right here, it also comes with the mount, which is a neat little thing. This is the 1-in-4. This was on sale from $99 to $59 on Monstrum Tactical. It looks very nice. Seems very sturdy, made of aluminum, it feels like. So let's just pull that off. And here is the device itself. I've had an opportunity to fool around with it a little bit to get comfortable with the optic. So what we have here is the focus ring, and this is how you just kind of get your fine tuning in here. Then you have your magnification gauge here. You just flip this to your different levels of magnification. It breaks it up in half increments all the way to 4. It goes straight from 3 to 4. I don't know if it stops halfway, but there's no mark for the 3.5. I imagine you can, there's no clicks or anything like that. It just smoothly rotates. Well, I shouldn't say smoothly because it's a little stiff. You can't just easily flip this. You have to put a little force to it, like so. I'm gonna put my lens cover back on. Then you go back up here, you have your elevation here. You take your little turret cap off. Then you have your elevation, and then underneath here, you have your windage. Here you have your illumination gauge. It has 5 levels of brightness, both in red and green. And then you have the end lens cap there. What you're looking at here is the lowest setting on red for the reticle. This is the MX1 reticle. That's the one I chose. And I have the cover down so you can better see it at the low light level. If I flip it up, as you notice, with the light on and everything, you can barely see it. So now we're going to go up to 2. And you can see it a little bit better. We're going to go up to 3. And now it's coming into better view. Going up to 4. It's pretty bright now. and going up to 5 at its brightest setting, and it's blazing there. So you can easily see that. You'd be able to easily see that during the daytime. Now, I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but there are little hash marks on the reticle that you can calculate for the bullet drop. And again, I'm not an expert on LPVO stuff, so I don't know much about that just yet. I'm still learning this stuff, but I just wanted to show you that. Let's take a look at green. Here we are at the lowest level of green. I'm gonna flip my cap up so you can see it. Again, daytime, you can't even tell it's on. Now we're going to go to 2. A little brighter, but you still can't see. You can barely see that it's on. Going to 3. Starting to come into view there. Going to 4. Now it's illuminating. And going up to 5. And then you have a pretty clear picture of what it looks like. There it is. And then you just rotate it on around to turn it off. And again, between each of those brightness levels, there is a rest spot where you can turn it off as well. As far as the turrets go, let's get in focus. You can hear a little audible click, and you can feel the little click. There's no wiggle or play in the turret turning. And let's see here. Where's my little index point? So there's my little index point right there. Oh, here's my little index point right there. I get that settled back onto my out of the box 0, as they say. There you go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the garage. I'm going to put this thing on, and we're going to go to the range. I would go through the process of showing how to do it, but I don't really know. I'm going to have to look at a video to learn how to better put this on. And then once I do that, I'll recommend the video, and we'll get this thing zeroed in, and I'll give you my true opinion on it later on. But as of right now, I mean, from what it looks like, I'm very happy with the product overall. I've heard good things about it, and I just can't wait to put it through its paces to give you just a full opinion on it. But first impressions, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Monstrum Tactical, this is the Banshee 1 and 4 by 20 LPVO, and so far so good. Got it in to where I'm hitting right around where I wanted. I had a blast at the range. I was able to get the optic sighted in. Once I got it sighted in, where I aimed that optic is where that bullet went. I had a blast with it. This is the Monstrum Banshee 1 to 4 by 20, and at the time of this video, it was on sale for $59.99. Now, as I'm wrapping up editing, I think that sale might have ended, but keep your eye open, because if you're looking for an entry-level optic or just something to throw on your gun that works, Banshee works. I will probably get more Monstrum products in the future, because this one did not disappoint. The one thing I will continue to do is I'm going to avoid ordering on Amazon, because I just feel like ordering on Amazon is iffy, and I would rather buy directly from the company. That way I know I'm getting a product that is quality, as opposed to the possibility of buying from a seller that's masquerading as a Monstrum seller, but maybe getting a knockoff or a product that has been returned or damaged. Guys, I am not an expert at this. I'm just a person who likes a deal, and if this helps you make a better decision, then the video has done its job. Thank you guys as always for watching. Keep on watching, like and subscribe, and live the dream.